Hi, let's talk about creating views in the Workbench feature of Akoonu's RevWorks platform. So the Workbench is the go-to spot to drill into, analyze, and inspect your forecast data. So to start with, let's create a new view. In Workbench, I go to the gear menu and say New View. And the first thing it's going to ask me to do is choose the primary forecast type. So one of the things you can do in Workbench views is actually combine data from different forecast types. So if you have multiple forecast types set up in your Salesforce forecasting, you can combine the data in single views. You can pick that here. And the one note about this is that they have to be compatible forecast types. So what does that mean? So they're compatible if they have the same roll-up hierarchy, meaning they're either both role-based or they're both territory-based, and that they employ the same grouping mechanism. So they could be, so neither of them could be grouped. That's okay. They could be both grouped by product family. That would make them compatible too. Or they could be grouped by the same custom field. That would also be compatible. But you can't mix and match the fields, the forecasting type fields, when one is grouped by product family and the other is grouped by a custom field. Okay, so I'm gonna stick with opportunity revenue here. And then that's the first selection in creating a new view. And then you can set up your periods and your fields, and there's other videos that will drill into all the details on these areas, the layout, and the indicators to use in the view. I'm just going to keep it the defaults. Click Save. It's going to ask me to name the view. So I will call this the new forecast view. And a description. This is optional, but this is really helpful because when you're using the AI generated insights in Workbench, it's going to look at this description to help figure out how to best analyze the data to suit your needs. So I'll leave that blank for the moment and click Save. And now I'm looking at my new forecast view with the defaults that I had just chosen in the new view. I can edit this view. Just go back to the same menu, click Edit. Once a view has been created, you can't change that primary forecast type. So we're locked in with the opportunity revenue as the primary type. I do believe I have at least one compatible forecasting type in this org, which we'll see in the video that we drill into the available fields. But I can change the name and the description and all the other settings. Thank you for joining me, and look for those other videos to really dig into how you can create views that really let you look at the data how you would like to. Thank you.